button. We'll give you 5 seconds.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it?
And we post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But we're starting shout-outs. The first shout-out ever goes to Emma Drew.
And her little brother, Leland Gray.
Yeah, but let's get right on into feeling these slimes. Ew, ew, ooh, ew, my hands.
Ew.
It's time to get down and dirty, guys. Let's go grab our ingredients. You guys should come with us today.
Alright guys, here's our slime closet slime squad. Okay, so I think I'm going to get okay, let's see guys, moment of truth. This one I want. Okay, so I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna need this because we need glue because there's so many foam beads it can't even fit in the slime. That's insane. We're gonna need some activator. We got that. I'm gonna get a food dye. Hold on. Chocolate. Indigo. Teal. I'm gonna use teal. This is a really nice color. And I think I'm gonna do baby. I'm gonna get some foam soap. I'm gonna put down this thingy. I just took the lotion. Okay guys, let's open the magical thingy. Okay, so we got teal. So I'm gonna get these glitters and we're set, y'all.
I'm here. Okay, here's it. I think I'm gonna start off by the texture. That was a no-no. We're gonna get this white glue because clear glue's not gonna mix in very well. He should have thought about that. So we're gonna get white glue, and then I think we're gonna get foam soap. He said shaving cream. Or he said foam soap when he grabbed shaving cream. So we're gonna get foam soap. Maybe I just go. I don't know. I think I'm gonna make it a cotton candy slime. Cause like we want it still to be crunchy. So do we have pink one? Okay, pink in this blue, pink. You know what royal glit's gonna have to do? And then to the glitter, like he did. And the magical closet of glitter. We're gonna get this light pink one because it's like really cotton candy vibes. This pink, I'm gonna get this pink little swirly. And do we have a blue pink? No? Okay, I guess that's all I'm gonna get. These. Alrighty guys, we're back. And I'm gonna start off by adding some white glue.
We'll start by adding this a half a quart. So.
Oh, that's a neon pink foam.
I have more neon.
No, see, wait, maybe.
Mine's actually full neon though.
Okay, we're gonna add some glue.
Glue drying on it now, but.
Okay, I'm gonna add lots of glue because like there's lots of foam beads. They're sticky and the beads still come out. Not very good.
Guys, this looks so weird. Ready? When I lift this up, it like makes an air bubble. No, it doesn't. But that looks really cool, guys, doesn't it? Adding the glue.
Alrighty, so I added this glue and it turned into actual slime. The beads don't fall out anymore, but the problem is the texture. Here we go, plop, there's some more glue.
Pop goes the weasel.
Plop, plop. Alright, I got a new foam soap because I could not. Oh, come on, this one doesn't work either. You're really doing this to me, foam soaps? Oh, wow.
Foam soaps are against you. Over here.
Okay. Once it's stringy, it's working. So can we get to that point. Okay. Okay, so we're adding lots of foam soap.
Why?
So it's stretchy.
Let me guess, making cotton candy?
Yep.
I'm just so smart.
Yeah.
Like always.
That's pretty good crunchy lunchies.
It's crunchy lunches.
So now we're gonna rip it in half and add some. That sounds really bad, guys. Now we're gonna add. Oh no, this is ripping.
Ready, look at this. Ready?
With some foam soap, just to show.
It's good, lady, a cheater.
Cheater!
What will that ever affect?
Your whole slime.
Your.
Ooh, made that tootie noise.
Made that tootie noise. Guys, it made the tootie noise.
Okay, we're gonna have lunch. Oopsie. Whoop, there it is. Keegan!
I meant to put a foam bead in.
Yeah, you did.
I even had a foam bead.
Oh my goodness, this is finally turning into actual slime. Okay, let's see here the crunch, guys. I bet it's not gonna have one because of the clay.
Let's see the crunch.
Not that good. Okay, we're gonna go on to the next slide. As I did with this one, I added some lotions. We're gonna do that. We're done with you lotions for the day. You did a great job.
I got teal, you didn't.
I got pink and blue.
I got
That's right, you did it.
greens. What?
I'm opening up.
Activator! Squish. You want some? Too bad.
I got some. I want some. I got some. I want a cherry.
You want a cherry?
No. Oh, excuse me, sir.
Really?
Even for this?
You want to hear what noise foamy makes? Ah. What?
Okay, ready?
Hey guys.
We're gonna add this blue, royal blue food dye. We're only gonna add a dropper. That was like 3 drops, but only a little itty bitty 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 bit. Because if I add a lot, it's gonna turn that color, which is not the color of cotton candy. It's kind of how it is right now, but I need it to show a little more, so it'd be a little brighter. So I think it's gonna work out. Whoa. Okay, that blue is done.
That's long can.
Now we're gonna do the pink.
Amphibians!
I changed the purple slime into a pink and a blue.
Ew, that crackle wackle.
Oh my goodness. This texture, so nice. But we're gonna add some food dye. And I'm gonna add some glitter to this one. Okay, I'm done. We're gonna add this glitter. It's not as good as the last one. And we're gonna add some blue one. Because that one's kind of like the main one for the blue one. Because we didn't have a blue one I really wanted to get. I just got pink ones as well as the pink one.
Too much.
Because there's a lot more blue in the slime. So we're gonna add a lot of pink to make it like equal. But yes, the pink is done. Now the blue is done once I mix in the glitter. Okay. We got it. It's kind of getting a purple tint from it, but I don't care. It's kind of like when you mix cotton candy. There's a purple cotton candy, right?
Alright, mine.
Okay, I'm setting up. Swirling it, guys. We're not gonna mix it too much. We're just gonna go, We love to see it. Boom, cotton candy blades. Now for the texture. Now we go. Oh, drop my charm. So soft and creamy and stretchy and color. Go with it.
What did you say? Okay, guys, I call this ocean. It's got a good poke. Got a great stretch, guys. Look at this. Perfection, guys. I'm just the best slime maker, see? Next time, guys, I'll be sure to grab lotion.
Yeah, but I think I definitely won. Mine was stretchy, pretty, and all of the above.
No, what do you mean I won?
I'm holding a bubble in my hand. But yeah, we hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to smash that button. And don't forget we do shout outs. So if you want to get a shout out, let us know on our Instagram. Insta Snap. Okay. And if you like this video, go check out our other ones. But yeah. Bye Slime Squad. Bye. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
So let's get started.